Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm just going to go ahead and read you the question and then you can start the time. So it says, Ahmad has containers of two different sizes. The total capacity of 16 containers of one size is X gallons, and the total capacity of 8 containers of the other size is also X gallons, and X is greater than 0. In terms of X, what is the capacity in gallons of each of the larger containers? Okay, so go ahead and start the time. So what's going on here is we have 16 containers of one size and 8 containers of the other size. So if the containers total both have the same gallons, that means the 8 containers are going to be the larger containers. And since we need to know the capacity of larger containers, that's the key thing we need to figure out. So in order to find the capacity of each of the larger containers, all we're going to do is take the X gallons and divide it by the 8 containers. So then we're going to get how much one of the larger container has in gallons. So our answer is just going to be X over 8. So you can go ahead and stop the time. But I'm just going to go ahead and further elaborate on that a little bit. So essentially in this problem, the key is, I would say don't overthink it, because I think it's pretty straightforward to figure out how many gallons each container holds, as long as you don't get confused by the two different sizes. So one way you could do it is maybe you could make like 16 circles. That might take a while, but and then this all has X gallons. And then if you have these 8, this also has X gallons. So an illustration, that's one way that might be able to tip you off as to which one of the sets is larger. And then hopefully, in terms of finding the capacity of each one, all you have to do is just take the total and then divide it by the number of containers, and then that will give you the gallons per container. So hopefully that helps. My email is in the description if you're interested in any math tutoring, or if you have any recommendations, anything like that, just feel free to email me. All right, thanks for watching.